Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to put your Linktree URL in your Facebook account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is my Linktree URL. I'm just gonna copy it right now. I'm gonna click on this button right here. And now what I'm gonna do is simply go to Facebook. Well, as you can see, I have logged in. Now all I'm gonna do is go to my profile. At the top right, you will see your profile picture. Click on it. Now from here, simply click on your name right here. And guys, this is it. This is my Facebook profile. I'm just gonna scroll down. Now from here, what I'm gonna do is go to this About tab right here, right next to Post. Click on it. Once you click on it, this thing will open up. From here, as you can see, there are lots of tabs. What you guys need to do is simply scroll down till you find something called as Contact and Basic Info. Click on it. Now from here, only focus on websites and social link. Click on the Add a Website button right here. Now just enter your Linktree URL. Once you've entered it, simply hit on Save. And guys, that is it. That is how you add your Linktree URL in your Facebook page. This is it guys. This is the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.